Alright guys, good morning. This is Marie, as you know. Today is our last day here, so we're making the most of it. We're just exploring, walking the trails and stuff. So come follow us. We are early again. Nobody's around. Alright guys. There's more than there's a lot. But oh my goodness, but they're nice though. Shouldn't be afraid as long as they said, don't pet them. Just leave them alone. Oh my, there's one in the pathway there. Look at the tail standing up. I don't know. So there it is. Kind of iffy though. I think they're more scared of people than we should be scared of them. Look at that. Good morning, guys. This is on the trail, but they're so friendly. Yeah, look at that. They're just looking for breakfast. That's all there is. All right. Look at you. Oh, wanna have a close-up? So cute. I don't know what that is though. What's the name?
Coatis.
Oh, Coatis.
C-O-A-T-I-S.
Oh, that's what it is. Coatis.
It's a relative of squirrel.
Okay. Are you ready for your last day, Ron?
Yes, I am.
Ready or not?
It's too hot
We're
in here.
leaving today. So, let's make the
Tired
most
of
of it.
sweating.
We've sweated enough. Yeah. So, this is our last hurrah. Okay, this is Ron and me walking the trail. Come walk with us. Look at that, the sound of the water. It always gets to me. Yeah, it's so nice.
Look at the stones how they're arranged.
Yeah. Look to the road. All right. Let's take a walk. So cool in the morning, but no guarantee of the coolness. It gets hot right away. But just come look at all this, the grass, the trees. Like you are really in the tropics, the feel. I mean, the sounds of the birds and the insects. Huh? What did you say? Yeah?
It's a swamp.
Oh yeah, I know. There's a occasional swatting of a mosquito, but otherwise, it's okay. There's the river over there. Right that way is the river. So quiet. See all this, they light up during the night like millions of fireflies during the night. Look at that. I think I'm gonna make one of those in my house. Why not, huh? Look, see? I can make this. Uh-huh. What do you think? I'll show you. I'll make one of this. Ron, that's our project. Okay? Come look, Ron. Look at me. Yeah? You're on video. We'll make a project of that, okay?
Okay. Promise.
Promises,
It's
promises.
beautiful at night.
Uh-huh.
Morning.
Buenos dias. So they're just starting to come in. We got some music now. Look at that. This time. Yeah, he's waiting for me. Come on, guys. Let's follow that Ron. You hear that sound, hon? Oh, I think frogs. You hear that? Yeah. The little froggies.
I love that idea.
I wonder how they control mosquitoes here.
They do some occasional spraying, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look how big the leaves are.
Oh, look at that. What is that, hon?
Damascada.
Oh, yeah. No, it's not.
Tremenda.
All right, look at all this. So nice. Now, everything leads to the beach. It's over there now. We'll be there soon. Can you hear it now? Can you hear the waves calling you? Yeah, they're calling you guys. Is it comfy, Ann?
Yes, it is.
That's nice, huh? Yeah. All right. All right. We're here. Water again. So cool. Look at this clear water. It's rocky down there though. That's the only thing. The water's clear. So calm. What are you gonna do, Ron? Huh? Nothing?
Pose.
Strike a pose.